Welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of extinct animals. Today we are going to look at the story of dodo bird and other flightless birds that were once abundant but are now extinct. This is a cautionary tale about the impact of human activity on wildlife and the importance of conservation. The dodo bird was a flightless bird that lived on the island of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. The dodo bird lived in relative isolation for millions of years, but its fate changed forever when humans arrived on the island. The arrival of humans on Mauritius brought with it a host of new challenges for the dodo bird and its habitat. Humans introduced domestic animals like pigs and goats, which damaged the bird's habitat and competed with it for food. Despite efforts to protect the bird, the dodo bird was unable to survive and was officially declared extinct in 1681, just over 100 years after humans first arrived on the island. The story of dodo bird is just one example of the impact of human activity on flightless birds. The extinction of dodo bird and other flightless birds is a sad but important story that highlights the impact of human activity on wildlife. Today there are conservation and efforts underway to protect the preserved flightless birds. We must learn from the past and work to protect the wildlife and their habitats for our future generations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscription button for more videos on extinct animals.